Quick video on the stand for the PM-728VT milling machine. As I was putting the stand together, I kind of thought to myself, this thing is so nice, it deserves its own video. So some quick highlights. First of all, paint job is great. Sheet metal is very thick. This thing is strong, very substantial, really well made. Hardware is good, latch works, all the nuts and bolts, the fasteners were of good quality, no problems. Has a removable door, which is kind of a nice feature. Let's see, vented panel in the back. It's nice if you want to put some electronics inside of it. That's a really nice feature. My favorite feature, the heavy duty leveling feet. This is something, in my opinion, like every machine stand should come with something like this. Because if you don't have leveling feet, then you get to the point where you're trying to set your machine on the floor, and you wind up, putting shims under it or washers or all this weird stuff to try to get it level. This saves a lot of time. This is awesome. I'm really impressed with these nice big heavy duty leveling feet. That's a must have in my opinion. The right side of it is flat, and the left side of it kind of has this cool detail to it, right? That's kind of neat. That stand is top notch. I'm impressed, and if I were Precision Matthews, I would try to sell this stand. Just I think they could sell these just by themselves, because this is the type of stand that I'd want to mount like my bandsaw on, or if I had a nice big drill press, whatever equipment. This is the type of thing I want to put it on. It's really heavy duty, very stable. There's nothing flimsy about it. It's not like one of those cheap toolboxes from Home Depot or one of those things. This is the real deal. In fact, it's heavy too. I could barely pick this thing up by myself and put it up there. It's really probably should be a two-person lift to do it safely. So there you go. Stand is good. Like it. Instructions were decent. And if this is any indication of the quality of the actual milling machine, then I'm already happy because it's looking good so far. All right. Thanks for watching. So long.